Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to summarize articles using Perplexity AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to summarize articles using Perplexity AI, you need to simply tap it on. Once you are in your Perplexity AI, you need to get logged in into your account. Once you have logged in into your account, you need to paste the URL or upload the PDF. Now you need to use clear prompts like summarize this articles in 3 points, 4 points, or simply explain the main findings and methodology. So you can simply give a detailed prompt. And once you have given the prompt, you need to optionally set the focus to writing and choose advanced models like Claude 3 Opus in Pro for better academic summaries with formatted citations. So, if you're gonna do this, then you will be able to summarize articles using your Perplexity AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.